How to install and use DeepSeek AI on mobile. If you would like to install as well as also use the DeepSeek AI application on your mobile phone, it's fairly simple to do so. First, open up your Play Store or your App Store. Once you open up your Play Store or your App Store, in the search bar, what you want to do is simply go ahead and then type in DeepSeek. So once you go ahead and then type in DeepSeek, here you can see the DeepSeek AI app. Now you can just hit the install button next to the DeepSeek app. Now when you hit the install button over there, let the installation process to complete. And now after you've done that, just like any of the other large language models or text-based AI application, you can just choose to log in to one of the accounts that you have. And once you've done that, you'll be able to create your account or maybe even sign in with Google or create a new account right away. And from there, you'll be able to start using DeepSeek by tapping the Start Chat button right here. This way, you'll be able to install and use DeepSeek AI on mobile. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.